Hi guys! This is Mafe and I'm starting my weight loss journey again. So first, let me tell you the part 1 of this story is about how I lost weight during the pandemic era. So ito, yung starting weight ko nung pandemic and ito naman ako nung pumayat. During the pandemic kasi, wala akong ibang ginawa nung first month kundi kumain ng kumain ng kumain. And alam nyo ba na ang turning point ko para mag-diet ay yung isang pangyayari noong nagpunta ako sa palengke. So, ito nga, namalengke ako, 19 years old lang ako noon, and nung sumakay ako ng tricycle, which is yung driver, ay nasa around 30s or 40s. And then, ang sabi niya sa akin,